Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to change table line style in your MS Word. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to change table line style in your MS Word, then I will show you simple method how to do this. As you can see, I have created table in my MS Word. So if you want to change the line style, so what you have to do, you have to just select all, right click on that, then click on table properties. Here in bottom you will find borders and shading, click on that. Here you can see the style. In this, if you scroll down, you will find some different styles. You can select as per your choice. So I will select this as a double line style, then click OK. Click OK again. As you can see, the double line style has been created in my MS Word. So if you want any another line style, again you have to right click on table properties, click on border and shading, then select the another style, then click OK, then click OK again. That's it guys. So in this way you can change table line style in your MS Word. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.